Algebrainiacs, here we are. Solve the following radical equation. Throw out any extraneous solutions. So, process is the same as before. We isolate the square root and square that square root, and then solve the resulting quadratic equation. So first things first, let's add 1 to both sides, and then we get square root x plus 3 equals x plus 1. Next, let's square both sides. So left-hand side, just x plus 3. Right-hand side, when we FOIL that out, we'll get x squared plus 2x plus 1. Got to write it in standard form. So take the x plus 3, put it on the left-hand or the right-hand side, and you get plus x and minus 2. So you should be thinking x, and what two numbers multiply to negative 2 and add to 1. Multiply to negative 2 and add to 1. How about negative 1 and 2? Minus 1 plus 2. So our potential solutions are x equals 1, so when x minus 1 equals 0, and x equals negative 2. So let's check over here. So let's try one. Let's try 1. So 1 plus 3, is that equal to 1 plus 1? So square root of 4, that's equal to 2, that's equal to 2. So 2 equals 2, check. So that's a solution. Let's check x equals negative 2. So negative 2 plus 3 under the radical, is that equal to negative 2 plus 1? Right hand side is equal to negative 1, left hand side is equal to 1. Not equal. No good. Throw that solution out. So the only solution is x equals 1.